Well, I think the tourism industry has to start. There is absolutely no doubt about it. Finally, please understand that tourism is a very key sector as far as the economy of the state and the country goes. Please understand that this virus is a part of our life right now and is going to be a part of our life for some time until a full-fledged vaccine is being introduced, which in my opinion could happen somewhere in the first quarter of 2021. So until then, it wouldn't be wise to have this locking of the tourism sector till the time a vaccine is being introduced. But of course, when you unlock it, you have to take into confidence all the stakeholders and accordingly come out with SOPs. Please understand, tourism sector was already reeling under the economic meltdown in the year 2019-20, and whatever little opportunity they had to make some quick bucks from the local tourists in the month of March, April and May, that opportunity is also lost due to the unprecedented COVID. And as we know, June, July, August and some part of September happens to be the off season. So now unless and until we decide that the tourism has to be unlocked in the month of say September or October, this industry in my opinion will never start if we don't unlock it at this juncture. I'll tell you something, all the stakeholders of tourism, that is the hotel owners or for that matter the taxi operators, people who have these food stalls, they all have invested money. They have invested money for funding their capital expenditure or for working capital requirements. Right now, they have been given moratorium. But moratorium doesn't mean that the banks are going to forego their EMIs or forego their bank interest. It is only postponing the EMIs. So now the moratorium, when the moratorium is going to end, how are they going to source the EMIs or how are they going to repay these loans? That is the first question. What about the employees who have been working for these establishments? How are they going to sustain or how are the employers going to pay them salary? That is very important. These employees also must have taken some bank loans for either purchasing house or some other personal things like buying a scooter or buying an automobile. So these things have to be also taken into consideration. Next is, what about the ancillary units dependent on tourism, such as the taxi operators, such as people who have these food stalls or restaurants at the venues at these tourism venues. They also must have taken loans. They also need to repay it and they are also dependent on this industry. What about the taxi operators? Please understand, in Goa state especially, the taxi business thrives only on tourism. 90% of the taxi business in my opinion thrives only on tourism. It's not like in the other metro cities where a person needs a taxi to go from his residence to his workplace. It's not the case with Goa. People today require taxi only when the tourist comes to Goa. So if there are no tourists, these taxi people have absolutely no business. What about the loans these people must have taken to purchase taxis? How are they going to service these loans? Most important thing is you have income tax deadlines which are approaching next month. You have a tax audit deadline also. Many people must have not even paid advance tax. So now when they file their return, they'll have to pay self-assessment tax. How are they going to pay this tax if they do not have any revenue? Because whatever profits, if at all they have made in the financial year 1920, they have already been utilized for consumption and for repaying loans or for paying some salary to their employees. So now, if at all they have to file their returns, they do not have money to pay self-assessment tax. So I feel whatever said and done, there would be some opposition to it, but I feel that let us be very optimistic. Let us start this industry maintaining whatever norms which the health ministry specifies. That is my very firm view. And I feel that we already know that for the last 8 years, mining has been shut. There is absolutely no revenue to the exchequer in terms of mining revenue, the taxes which were coming from mining. Last 8 years, this industry is in absolute mess. Now, if we do not start tourism now in the month of October, then I'll tell you, tourism will be yet another activity which will be completely shunted. So I urge the government that yes, they need to start this industry, because we do not want a situation where if we don't start this industry, people who run this industry or people who are dependent on this industry are anyway going to die with heart attacks or suicides. If not COVID, they'll die with these ailments. So I think the government should take it up very strongly and start the industry as early as possible.